Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do a bubble unboxing. So this is kind of going to be like an ASMR. Bubble products, I have one over there, but they're like lotions kind of, or moisturizers. I have one that's called Cloud Surf. I might look creepy in this lighting. Sorry about that. But yeah, I'm going to go get that and show that to you guys. So here it is. Here's the Cloud Surf. I can open it. So here's what some of them may look like. Some bubble products look like this. Not all of them, some. So yeah, this is like, it's like lotion. If you press down on that, like lotion comes out, and you can like put that on your face. But anyways, I'll put that back in the box. But anyways, this is going to be really fun. My cousin got me this for my birthday. It's like a whole bubble box, and I only have one product, and it's a good thing she got me more. So, no, the reading might be backwards, but that's what it looks like. Anyways, time to open. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, wrong end. Doo-doo-doo. Oh my gosh. What is in here? Oh, there's like, wait. Oh, there's like a little carry case kind of with some bubble products in that. I'll get that soon. And then they got bubble stickers. Oh, I'm not really ASMRing this. I forgot to do this or this. Oops. But I'll keep doing that. Then here's like a little card, that's all, but here's like a little card. Yes. So, and there's also a little smiley face on the box right there. You might not be able to see it, but it's really cute. My cousin didn't even notice that when she got hers. So first I'll do, so this is like a cute card. And it says some stuff. And yeah, just a bunch of stuff. And the stickers are like stuff like they say, "Love my skin, bubble." Okay, sorry. And then it's got some bubble products on there. And it's got like, Bubble has Squishmallows. I don't have any, but they're not really Squishmallows. They're like little plushies that are like Squishmallows, and they have like they're like bubble products with eyes, and I'm so happy I got the eyes, because later in the video I might, if I don't forget, I'll put them on my Cloud Surf, and so it'll be like that. Sorry if the lighting's too bright. And then now I'm gonna open this. So throw my trash over there. I don't know where that went. And I don't care. I kind of do care enough to get it back. But anyways. So here, oh, look at that little zipper. That's so cute. Wait, let's unzip. Oh, so nice. And then it's got, turn it. Get out. There we go. And it's got little products. Oh, it's a Level Up. Oh, so nice. So it's like a little, you can like push it down. And then this one is Fresh Start. Get off. Sticky. Oops. One sec. There we go. All right. I don't know where I put my trash. I'll just throw that behind me. So nice. And then it's got this little thing in it. It says balancing routine. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, I'll put that back in there. Oh, so nice. And the stickers are really cute. Now I'm gonna put the stickers on my Cloud Surf. Sorry, my room's kind of a mess. I'll put this on. So first, I'm gonna get the sticker. Oh, wait. Get off there. Now, I'll put this on here like so. So nice. Now I got my little Murphy buddy. I feel like what his name is Cloud Surf. As you can see. My little buddy. Alrighty, and I think that's all for today. Bye guys!